Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? We are in the beautiful city of Hubbard, Texas. We are in the downtown area, and today we have a very interesting historical helicopter here. It is a Bell AH-1 United States Army. It's a Cobra helicopter that was used in Vietnam in the year 1970. And they actually have a memorial here for it. It says, "In reverent and enduring memory of those hardy pioneers whose God-fearing efforts made this community part of a great state and a great nation." And on the other side it says, "Of those Americans who fought for a world of freedom and peace. They counted not their lives dear unto themselves." So I'll let all of you get a close-up view of that. Okay, now we're going to get a close-up view here. We're looking at the side, you know, the body of the helicopter. And there's the tail of it. The propeller on the rear end. And then it's got a big massive propeller on top. Okay, now we're going to get a close-up view of the cockpit, the cabin. It looks like we're two pilots sat inside, and there's your little ammunition compartment access on the bottom there. There's your landing gear on the bottom, and those look like your loaders there for the missiles on the side. So this is an AH-1S Cobra, tail number 68-15179, originally designed as an AH-1G attack helicopter. Flew combat missions during the Vietnam War from September 69 until February 72. It served with C Troop 7th Squadron, 17th Air Cavalry, and D Troop 3rd Squadron, 5th Air Cavalry. On May 3rd, 1970, while based in Vietnam, the aircraft crashed, injuring both pilots. It was repaired at Bell Helicopter and returned to Vietnam for further combat. So it continued service until 1994, and it's been on display here since 2002. Okay, here's another great fascinating view of the front of the helicopter. Okay, here's a backside rear view of this Bell Cobra. It's a vintage Vietnam era helicopter. Okay, and finally here's a view of the backside of the opposite side here. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I will have many more great historical military videos like this in the future.